Oh, this is one of those drawings that when I'm drawing it, I get so hungry. It just looks so tasty, and the better I draw it, the tastier it looks. I'm talking about today's drawing, which is going to be waffle and ice cream dessert. So we've got this big, nice bready waffle and a big plunk of ice cream on top, and then all sorts of nice sauce drizzling over all of it. Oh my goodness, I really do need something to eat before I draw this. We need orange, we need a little bit of purpley blue, and a little green for those 2 little pieces of mint on top. I'm going to try to get started without, mouth-watering too much. Come and join me. Of course, you can always pause the video and go get something to eat so that you can manage to get through this. Maybe I'll draw it so well I can just pluck it off the page and have a taste. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.